Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. You have to start by open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and of course your earbuds should be added to the application. If you don't know how, you can check a video at this channel. Now you need to scroll down, and right here we have update firmware. Click on it. Also you need to be login into your account, because without it you cannot check it or update it. Also, if you haven't the last software version, you cannot enter in this menu. You will just tap at the update firmware, and at the top you will see information that you have the last software version. Now let's tap on it and click update. Now don't use your earbuds, just wait until this update will finish. Now, as you can see, it asks to put both of these earbuds to the charging case, because without it you cannot update software version. So tap on it and then click try again. Now I'm going to speed up it for you, and then I will show you how to look successful update. So it almost finished. Okay, maybe we need to... No, we don't need to wait for more. So, successful update look like this. You just tap OK. Then we need to again check update, and I have the last version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!